Let's see how this comes out. I'm Alessandra Chufo. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Whitestone, New York. I've been on the Rachael show a few times.
She's 12 years old, but she cooks like a master chef.
Turkey meat, salt, pepper, add some crushed red pepper flakes. Like any other 18-year-old, I am all over social media, and literally my favorite accounts to follow are all food accounts. One of the food trends that I've been seeing around lately that I'm super curious about are these avocado bun burgers. My brother's super into fitness and nutrition, and he's trying to convince me to go keto, and I think that this will be the perfect idea. So let's get started. You're gonna cut the avocado the long way. They're looking pretty smooth and bun-worthy, so this might work out really well. This burger is gonna have some white American cheese, tomato, lettuce, sriracha mayo, and some sesame seeds, and making it look like what it's not. Moment of truth, time to dig in. While I love avocados, I'm a little concerned on the practicality of picking this burger up with my hands and trying to eat it. I feel like this might be more of a knife and fork situation, but nonetheless, still tasty.
I love her. Obviously, this is a big deal because people love low-carb, no-carb diets, you know, keto, high-fat.
That's my brother. He's the one who inspired me for this. He's always telling me to go keto, try it out. So here we go. We tried it out.
Don't mind his own beeswax, but how do you?
Yeah.
You know?
So as we just saw, eating it was a little messy. I mean, you see
it's like guacamole.
My thing is, if you want to go for it, I love avocados, so I wasn't opposed to it. Either maybe open face, knife and fork. You can try it with other things, and maybe I made a little burger here because I felt like a big burger would overpower the avocado.
I agree.
You could do smoked salmon, deli meats.
I love the smoked salmon idea, right?
A little bit of some sort of ponzu mayo, ginger, arugula. I had it going already. We gotta try that next time. So one more tip is if the avocado's not your thing and it's messy, whatever, you can make it actually with lettuce. So you just would set it up like you would any other burger.
Who, the Italian, the Sicilian woman, my mother, Elsa Scuderi, she went vegetarian at 84. And carb-free.
Wow, look at that. She had to watch her figure, right?
Yeah. Whatever. I still don't tell my mother nothing. She'll knock me into the next zip code. Beautiful.
This works like this. You know what else I was thinking of too? You know when you go to a fast food burger place and they give you the burger and it's wrapped in something?
Yeah.
If you love avocados like I do, you could keep it as an avocado burger, use the lettuce to wrap it around just a whole day.
Keeping it together.
Exactly.
Right?